Hi, I'm Sam Schmolinski, and I invented the Sneezy alarm clocks. The Sneezy alarm clocks. Our alarm clocks come with over 50 different types of sneezes to wake up to in the morning. Perhaps you're a deep sleeper and you have trouble waking up in the morning. How about our boisterous sneeze? Maybe you're a light sleeper and it doesn't take much to wake you up. Try our library sneeze. How about our Tootsie Roll sneeze to help you wake up gently and softly, quietly yet undisturbed? If you want to wake up in a weird mood, perhaps confused, try our, I'm not sure if it's a cough sneeze. Yeah. Perhaps you're one of the deepest sleepers in your family. Try our rapid sneeze. The Sneezy alarm clocks, available at Longs only.